Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add glow effect in Capcut. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Capcut, and basically what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and click on the video right here, and basically what you're gonna see, you're gonna be able right here to see the many tools right here that you have. Now what you're gonna do first, you can just go ahead and adjust the the temperature on that video, right? If you want to change the exposure and brightness, let me say right here, let me try to find the exposure, right? And after you find the exposure, what you're gonna be able right here, the brilliance, you're gonna be able right to set it to make it glow, and the saturation as well if you wanted to, just to make it a little bit a little bit more colorful. Just go ahead and hit the check mark right here. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna be able to see an option of a video effect. So I'm gonna try to find right here video quality. No, not the video quality. I'm gonna be able right here to see filters. Also, now filters, you're gonna be able to basically, after you adjust the temperature, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and click the arrow right here to go back to the tools, right? And basically what you're gonna be able to do, basically you can add the effect, and then basically click a video effect, and then you're gonna be able to choose the, let's say, glow right here, right? And then hit search. Okay, basically you can select either of those effects. Basically after you select it, because the video has voice, I don't want to show it. After you select it, hit cancel, and then go back right here, hit the check mark, and then as you're gonna see the body effect, go ahead and click the body effect. Make sure that you basically select the kind of a filter that matches the glow for that video, right? That could be an addition to the video. And afterwards, basically hit the export. If the video if you like the video, basically don't forget to export it, and then you're gonna be able to share it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.